こんにちは皆さん、お元気ですか? Hello, how are you? Today, kanji video number 10. I'm going to talk about bushu. This is radicals. This bu means part, parts. Shu, it comes from the kanji of kubi, neck. So the neck is very important. So important parts. Bushu, it means radicals. It's not necessary that you learn the kanji of today. But for example, this one, this kanji, the left part and right part, so the different part, and together, this is one kanji. One kanji can separate left and right. In this case, left part, this orange part, we say hen, hen, and the right part, tsukuri, katakana I, can be one part of kanji. In this case, we say nimben, the left part, nimben. Nimben is something to do with presents. There are many kanjis, much more, with this katakana I part. Like this part of katakana shi and other part together, this is one kanji. And this part of shi, katakana shi, we say sanjui, sanjui. And these are the examples. And this sanjui is something to do with water. This part is gonben, and this is kanji iimasu. Iimasu, it means to say. And this gonben and the other one put together, this is one kanji. For example, this is ki o shirushimasu. It means to write down. Using this gonben in the left part, there are many examples like this, but always something to do with words. Look at this. This is ki, tree, tree. And together, in this case, this means board. Using this ki, kihen, in the left part, these are some examples. But every kanji of these is something to do with trees or woods. This part of kanji, we say tehen. Te is the hand, something to do with the hand. And this is temple. Together, this is mochimasu. Mochimasu, hold something in the hands. These are some examples of kanji with tehen, with this one meaning something to do with the hands. I know you recognize this kanji. Nichiyobi, Sunday, or this is day, day. And this, with this kanji again with the temple together, it is when we say ichiji, niji, sanji, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, or the moment, toki. This part's name is nichihen, nichihen. And these are some examples using nichihen. This is katakana, ne, nani no ne no ne. And this can be one part of kanji, like this, and together with this one. And this kanji, it means it is moshimasu. Moshimasu means to say in keigo, in polite, very respectful way. Moshimasu, together. So to say something very sacred, very holy. So this means kami. Kami, it is God. These are some examples using this katakana ne. And this one, we say shimesu-hen, like hen, shimesu-hen. And with some other part of tsukuri. And these are some examples. And something to do with the gods or sacred, holy things. Kanji can be separated in the upper part and lower part. Upper part, we say kammuri. Kammuri, the crown. And the lower part, we say ashi, legs. This is katakana u, a, I, u, e, o, a, I, u. And this way, ukamuri, because this comes from this katakana u. Not so long like this, but this is one part of kanji, and we say ukamuri, u, and the crown. For example, this is ukamuri, and ukamuri means the house, something to do with a house. And this is woman, ukamuri, and woman. So a woman in the house and you feel relieved. 安心. These are some examples using ukamuri. And in many occasions, but not all, it means the house. For example, this kanji, this is ie or uchi. This means the house. This is katakana, sa. Sashisu seso, sa, long. But this can be like this. And this is the one part of kanji. And this means something to do with herbs or flowers. For example, this one and this one. This kanji is old. So some old herb, very old herb. And together, this is nigai, bitter. Here are some examples using kusa kamuri. Kusa, it is herb. So the kamuri, the crown made by herbs. Other example of kamuri, this one, 1 and 2, we call hitoyane. And hitoyane, it's something to do with persons. Maybe one kanji can have this upper part and left part. And in this case, we call tare. In all these tare, there are some differences. And the first three, so 1, 2, 3, these three kanjis has got madare, and usually something to do with the roof. These two has got the same tare and todare. Sometimes it's something to do with a corpse or crouched body. This last kanji has got this yamaidare. This is specific for the sickness. This kind of roots of kanji is kamae. Kamae. This is all the borders. Here you see some examples with kamae. In this case, this kamae is kunigamae. Kunigamae. And the meaning of kunigamae is to surround, to involve. You can also call kamae in this kind of form. These two kanjis has got the different kamae, 1 and 2, like this. These two are called keigamae. Keigamae. And in many occasions, it means suburbs. And the third and the fourth kanji has got the same kind of kamae. In this case, hakogamae. And sometimes it means something to hide. In the second line, we've got the same kamae. We say mongamae. Mongamae. Like two doors, like this. And mongamae, in many occasions, it's something to do with the doors. Kanji radicals of this form, the left one and the lower part. This is called nyo. In the upper, we've got 4 kanjis with shinnyo, or you can also say shinnyu, the same nyo, right? And these nyos is something to do with the way or the to walk. And these 2 kanjis has got different nyos from here. This one is called ennyo. Ennyo. And it's something to do with to advance, to go ahead. This one, this is sonyo. This comes from the kanji hashirimasu. Hashirimasu, it is to run. And this kanji hashirimasu, in onyomi, this is so. This is why we say this is sonyo. And it's something to do with running. The last one is kinyo. Well, this kanji comes from oni. Oni is Japanese demon, oni. And onyomi of this kanji oni is ki. This is why we say this is kinyo. And kinyo, it's something to do with monsters. Today we learned some bushu, radicals of kanji. And today it's not necessary that you learn all of the kanjis and also the name of the bushu. But if you know these, the kanji is this part and this part, or maybe this part and this part. And this makes you easier to learn more kanjis. There are some kanjis, the parts of kanjis, and this is essential. This is base and very, very easy as all the kanjis that we've learned till here. These are the parts of the kanjis, very important parts. And the together with this part and this part together, and then the kanji make it looks difficult, but it's not so difficult if you know, if you understand bushu. So I think to know these kind of things help you to understand better and help you learn more kanjis easily. I hope this video can help you a lot. If you think so, please give me a like. And if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please do it. And if you can share my videos with your friends, that can help me a lot. Please. いかがでしたか？今日は漢字の部首を勉強しました。漢字はとても難しいように見えますが、部首を知っていると、ああ、これはこういうところ、ここに部首がある。そういうふうにすると、もっと覚えやすくなります。今日見てきた漢字を全部覚える必要はありません。それに部首の名前も全部知らなくても大丈夫です。でも特に有名な部首、例えば人弁、山水、雨冠、草冠、そういうことを知っているととても役に立つと思いますよ。このビデオが役に立ったなと思ったら、ぜひいいねボタンをお願いいたします。そしてまだチャンネル登録なさっていなかったら、ぜひお願いします。それから私のビデオをお友達に紹介してくださったら、とても助かりますから、ぜひなさってください。では、また次のビデオでお会いしましょう。じゃあね、バイバイ。